1511 design Yan Berbasis Dying Grismingo Lalu Milenkirchen Restomod Porsche 914 Yan Teledibuat Salama Hampir Tiga Tagan Dayu Mumkan Pada Tahan 2021 Porsche Yan de Modificazione Mangalami Mobile Sport Entry Level Pembuit Mobile Tahan 1970 and Dengan Powertrain Dari Porsche Bermissen Tenge and Leba Modern Messen Flat 6.3 Com Weight Liter Dari Cayman S Generosity 987 Porsche originally offered a flat 6 in the 914x6, but the base flat 4 engine proved more popular. The Cayman engine makes more power than both, with an estimated output of 380 to 400 HP. That power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. 1511 design reworked the engine a bit, installing forged pistons and steel rods, and swapping in a new ECU and stainless steel exhaust system. The suspension is Cayman-derived as well. 1511 redesigned all of the suspension pickup points for this, and also added some structural reinforcement. Wider carbon fiber fenders sit on the reworked chassis, along with a new front bumper and bonnet which accommodate a different radiator and oil cooler, along with LED headlamps, and driving lights inspired by the Porsche 935x78 headlights. Are you ready for an unforgettable experience? Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey that will leave you breathless and craving for more. Unleashed adventures, where adrenaline meets adventure and dreams come alive. Dare to explore majestic mountains, pristine forests, roaring rivers, and breathtaking coastlines. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking to escape the mundane, Unleashed Adventures has something for everyone. Hey there, this is Finn, and you were just listening to my voice demo. Seeking a professional voice for your corporate presentations? Look no further. I'm a new American voice in Murph Studio, known for adding energy and authority to creative projects. I've mastered the ability to seamlessly switch between various genres and styles, adapting to the needs of any project. From commercials, e-learning modules to audiobooks, my voice has been used for a variety of projects.